Hi, this is Rohit Perwanla, student rate 1744629. I'm explaining about cup and dice game Python code. So let's run the code. So I'm giving the introduction about the game and I'm asking for the name here. So I'm entering the name. So as soon as I enter the name, I'm just telling that you have $100 in the wallet and how much do you want to bet on this number. So let's say I want to bet $50. So and then he asking for the number of 6-sided dice. I'm just telling 3, then asking for 10-sided dice, 2, 20-sided dice, let's say 4. So here what I'm doing is, so I'm printing the output that the dice result is after rolling is 68. So your balance is 50, as it is not equals to 50 and it is not even in the range of 10. So I'm getting the value, I'm minusing the value, subtracting the value from his balance and asking whether he want to play again or not. If you want to play it again, and the game starts again with the wallet showing the updating the balance here. So let me explain the code. So here I've used the top down design. So here what I'm doing is I'm importing the cup class from this file name. So after that, here the main method that I'm calling is I'm creating a object here dice game, sorry, and calling the ask user method. So here is the ask user method. So before that, what I'm doing is whenever a new player comes or a new object created, $100 is allotted to him, new $100 is allotted to him. After that, I am printing the introduction and asking for the name. After that, this is a while loop where the main code or main game starts. So here I have created so for how I use the top down design is, first of all I created a random method, a method which gives a random number. So after that, I'm asking for the number of dice he wanted for 10, 6 and 20 dice. So after that, I'll start the game and show the results. So here you'll get the random number. After that, we are printing how much you want to bet. So as soon as that, we store the value in the bet value, self.bet value, and I am asking for the user to enter the number of dices of each dice, and this will get the number of dices. So after that, I am calling the start game. In the start game, what I'm doing is I am leveraging or using this cup class from the other Python file and has explained in the last video. So what we do is we are giving different dices of 6 dice, 10 dice and 20 dice by the user input, and we are creating an object, and then we have called the roll method which gives the values. So after getting the value or the result from after rolling, so what I'm doing is I am doing an subtraction and absolute of it value, which gives the difference between the bet value and the value that we got. So if the value is not in the if the value is not in the range, so we are checking if for the if condition, if it is 0, it means exactly he won the match, and we are multiplying it with 10. If the range is between in the 3, then we are multiplying it with 5 times. If it is in 10, we are multiplying with 2 times. If it is not, if he lost the match, I'm just subtracting it. So let's check the balance update method. So here I'm doing, if it is add, then I'm subtracting it, I'm multiplying it, and I'm adding that into self.balance. If not, if we lose the match, then I am subtracting the updated value, which is the bet value, and this value is updated automatically. So as soon as the function completed running, then we shows the results. So after showing the results, so I'm asking the player to select if do you want to play the game or not. So if he says yes, then we pass, it means the while loop runs again. If he say no, then we'll break the loop and comes out. So the other question to answer is, so even though if the player gives a negative value as the bet, if I'm doing the absolute value, if we lose the matches, we will not add the value. Why? Because as I'm doing the absolute, it will be a positive, so we will subtract the amount he bet from the total balance. So this is the cup and dice game Python code. Thank you very much.